Hi friends, welcome to our channel. And in this video I will show you and tell you how you can increase and decrease the bass on your AirPods. Friends, please subscribe to the channel, put likes under the video, also write comments. And let's get to our topic, friends. And first of all, please open the settings on your iPhone. After that, scroll down until you find the music section. Click on it. Here you need to go to this option. And you can see that you will get this big list. And you can pick some style of music specific to yourself so that you can enjoy listening to it more. Also, friends, in order to increase the bass, choose this option here to increase the bass. Or if you want to decrease it, then decrease it. This way, friends, you can adjust the bass on your AirPods. I really hope this video was helpful to you. You have seen how you can easily increase and decrease the bass on your AirPods. Please, friends, subscribe to the channel, write your comments, be sure to put likes under the video, and see you soon.